check its 80s. We check that like line down the side like body beat on SABC in the morning, a body beat line. Well, I've never seen.
Kan hy staan?
Kom eens kijken, kom eens kijken. Kijk, ik gooi Peter op, ik kan staan. Peter het op alle las. Maar het bestaat.
Ja, het bestaat geen wat ik hier doe.
Maar gooi. Oh ja. Dis bietjie dors.
Day one of the Bronco disassembly. Their seat is out. They're getting infested by rat shit yet.
Yeah, yes, definitely been a couple of big ones, that's for sure.
What is that?
It's a bullet.
No, yeah.
It's a .22 bullet.
And rough people that own these trucks. What's that thing there?
Where?
That thing I'm filming.
Where's that? I can't see that.
You can't see this.
That's a air cleaner.
Ah.
That's old. Well, it's still new government, so it's shit.
It's worth this. It's not worth the metal that it's printed on. No. A rat's nest all under the dash. So we're gonna have to pull the whole dashboard out to see, to make sure nothing's damaged under there. But the rats have been in the dashboard, that's for sure. They normally go in the ducting, they like the ducting there.
And there's a couple of people that's been here.